Somewhere in Japan, a factory is running. 3 a.m. No lights. No workers. No sound. This is not the future. This is happening right now. In 56 factories in Taiwan, in 11 assembly lines in Beijing, in plants across the world, where humans are no longer invited. Every 3 seconds, a phone is built by no one. One robot for every 8 humans in Korea. 295,000 new robots deployed last year in one country alone. And by next year, 60% of the world's factories will be running without us. When machines took our muscles, we used our minds. But now, machines are taking our minds too. So tell me, where do we go?